Good morning, students. Welcome to the first video of Ishwaran the Storyteller, written by R.K. Lakshman. Well, R.K. Lakshman is more prominently famous for his cartoons. His cartoons were published in the Times of India for almost half a century, and his character, the common man, is still epitomized by many people. This is a very simple story of simple people who find pleasures in simple things in life. So let's start with the introduction of the chapter. Well, the title of the chapter, Ishwaran the Storyteller, tells us that this story is about Ishwaran. He is called the storyteller because as storytelling is an art, he is good at it. Ishwaran uses special effects, does voice modulation, uses his body language to make the story realistic so that the listener, that is Mahendra, gets attracted and captivated in his story. The writer wants to highlight this quality of Ishwaran, that he was so good at telling stories that they appeared to be real. His stories were a source of entertainment for Mahendra. Right? This is a brief summary about Ishwaran. Now, paragraph wise, I am giving you the explanation of every paragraph. So this is the first paragraph. Mahendra narrated a story about his cook Ishwaran to Ganesh. Mahendra worked as junior supervisor in a company which provided junior supervisors to various construction companies on rent. He got posted at different sites like factories, bridges and dams which were under construction. Mahendra's work was to keep an eye on all the workers at the site. He had to change places often and worked at various places like coal mines, railway bridge construction site and the construction site of a chemical plant. So basically, he's a supervisor. His job was to see that the work is going as scheduled, and he got transferred very often depending on where the construction was going on. Now, bachelor means unmarried, makeshift, temporary, query means mine, asset means advantage, anecdote, a sort of amusing or interesting story about real incident or a person. As Mahendra was unmarried, he did not have a family. He was able to live in these temporary quarters provided at the construction sites. He adjusted well in the circuit houses which did not provide the basic amenities or even the tents which were temporary in nature. Mahendra had an advantage. He was accompanied by his cook Ishwaran. Ishwaran was very close to Mahendra and accompanied him everywhere. He did not complain about the tough conditions in which he had to live. He cooked food for him, washed his clothes and gave him company by taking him at night, by talking to him at night. Ishwaran had a quality that he was good at telling stories and he entertained Mahendra with his stories which were based on different subjects. You see, a cook and a storyteller. Now, few words that are used in the third paragraph are desolate, which means uninhabited, conjure up means to gather or create with magic, zinc sheet shelter means a temporary place to live with the roof made of metallic sheets. Mahendra tells Ganesh that Ishwaran was a great cook. Whenever they shifted to a new location, he would gather all the vegetables and other ingredients required by him to cook in no time. As they lived at places which were not inhabited by many people in temporary shelters with roofs made of metallic sheets, it seemed as if he would do some magic and gather all the ingredients out of nowhere. He had this special power that made him extra special. So that will be all for this video. The introduction of Ishwaran and the special quality that made him an asset for Ishwaran. He accompanied Mahendra everywhere without any complaint, and he had this special power of procuring food ingredients even in the most desolate places, uninhabited places. Right? So I will come up with my next video. Till then, all of you take care and stay safe. Goodbye.